Hey everybody, and welcome back to How to Draw with Mr. Gray. Today we're going to draw a pigmelon. So he's half pig, half watermelon, and super delicious. So to do this, you want to make sure your paper is horizontal on this one. Get out your marker, and let's begin. So to start our pigmelon, we're going to start with his face first. So we're going to start towards the left side of the paper. We're going to put in our first eye right about here. And now I'm going to turn my paper, and remember, it's okay to turn your paper if it makes it easier. So before we do the next eye, we're going to put in his nose. His little pig nose. And what I like to do since we're here is I like to do two little ovals, just like that. And then you fill in the right side. That way, it looks like we can kind of see inside his nose. Then you're going to add another eye, just like that. And we're going to have our pigmelon looking up at something. Off the left eye, we can add his little eye thingy, his little hill. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go right off that left eye, and we're going to build in his square little face. And he's a happy pigmelon, so we're going to add a happy little mouth. And here's a cool little trick. So when you want to do a tongue, loop in like that, and then just add the second line, and there's his tongue. And then you can go ahead and fill it in. Now let's go to the top of his head, just like that. And we're going to add his ear right at the end. And remember, he needs two ears, so you're going to do that same shape, just reversed. Okay, now here's the fun part. This is going to be one big line. And I am going to hold my paper sideways because it's going to make it a lot easier. So we're going to go from the top of the head all the way around. So one big shape. Ready? Here we go. One big watermelon shape. And you could even fix your line right there if you wanted to. Have it nice and connected. Now let's add his little piggy tail. So a little trick to do a pigtail is you do a backwards 6. Or a backwards upside down 9. But it's a backwards 6, and then you just follow along. And there's your pigtail. Now his feet are going to be little upside down triangles with a flat top. Do you know why? Because his feet are little watermelon wedges. Just like that. And we can go ahead and put some seeds in there. That way we really know that they're watermelon wedges. And I'm just doing little black dots, just like that. And you can even hold your pen vertically and add some extra dots. Just give it some little texture. Okay, so now for the detail on the watermelon. So watermelon has green stripes going across it. So what I like to do is I like to just let my pen gently go across while I'm lifting it, adding dots. And I'm going to do this throughout, real wavy. There's no wrong way to do this here because every watermelon is different. And then you can hold your pen vertically, add little texture dots. You could add little circles. And then lastly, we're going to go ahead and give him a drop shadow, and I'm going to turn my paper vertically on this one. That way we know our pigmelon is not floating in the air. And then you're just going to go through. You're going to color it in. And if you want to rework your shadow until you get it just right, that is completely okay. Because remember, there are no mistakes in art. If it makes you happy, if you're having fun, that's all that matters. And that is how you draw a pigmelon.
Hey guys, Mr. Gray here, your animal mashup safari expert. I hope you had a blast drawing today, but now take it to the next level with my new coloring book, Mr. Gray's Animal Mashup Coloring Book Volume 1, available right now on Amazon.com. It's full of fake facts, funny creatures, there's a treasure hunt, and the best part of all, you can create your very own animal mashups right inside the book. Just follow the link in the video description below and get your copy today.